So who's tired of the same old, right? For Thanksgiving, and you're kind of ready to spice things up for 2020, but in a way that you can control, right? I got you, friend. I got you, friend, because today I'm going to rock your world with our family's favorite chutney for the holidays, or really for any special occasion. And I'm going to show you how to kick it up a notch with 2 special secret ingredients. Yeah. So raise your hand if you are one of those who is tired of the same old, same old. Yes. Okay. So now if you're watching on the replay or after the live is over, thank you so much for joining in with me. Make sure you leave your comments. I'm going to be back to answer any questions and respond to your comments. Hit those buttons. Give me some love. It helps us engage here as a community. Today, we are going to be free from boring food. We're going to be free from complicated dishes. No. We're going to be free from junk food. We're going to be free to keep it fun in the kitchen, right? And we're going to be free to eat. No. We're going to be free to eat real food and free to eat clean and free to have the winning dish at your Thanksgiving meal, your gathering. So who wants access to notes today? I've got you. Welcome to those of you who are joining us on Instagram. I do have to be honest, you are in the cheap seats. So come join us over on Facebook at 3 Life Essentials. That way you'll be able to get all the recipe today. You don't have to jot it down yourself. You'll be able to see all those things and gather those things, get those from me there. Okay. You're welcome to stay there, but you're in the cheap seats. So yes, we're going to be free to eat real food today. So how many of you, actually, let me just tell you first, if you want access to today's notes, actually, let me show you how you can do that right here. But all you have to do is just give me the word chutney below, and I'll make sure that you get them, okay? Don't keep this to yourself. Today, I have a bonus gift for those of you who choose to do that. And if this topic resonates with you, hit those buttons. Let me know how you feel about them. I know you have a friend who's been wanting to change things up in the kitchen this holiday. So if you want to take a moment to tell them about it, go ahead and do that. For those of you who are new here, my name is Amy Miller. I am a wellness advocate and a business coach, and I help fellow SLPs and therapists in private practice make a bigger impact on the lives of their patients, set their business apart from the others, and provide patients with solutions that address issues rather than just putting Band-Aids on problems. And we do this using our signature SPARK method via our growth mindset coaching. And this is our Free Friday. This is our weekly series on Fridays to experience life more fully, more abundantly. Bonus if we can do this naturally. I want to hear from you. What are your favorite side dishes for the holidays? Your favorite side dishes for the holidays. We have minds spinning here on that.
My favorite side dish for every holiday is an apple, which of course is my favorite food.
Yes, this guy loves apples. Now, we love to learn out loud here on Free Friday. So when we learn out loud on the broadcast, we use the hashtag Free Friday. And we share whatever is the aha moment that we're having or something that's for you in your mind. So anytime, even if you're watching on the replay, if you have a new idea or a nugget that you want to hold on to, type in the word hashtag Free Friday, share the tip that you're going to implement in your own life. And while you're doing that, I'm going to add a little oils. What oils are in your water bottle today? Let's see if I can we're at the end here. There we go. So as a busy mom who is holding down the fort and running your practice and managing all the kids' things, you ain't got time for complicated or weird ingredients. So I still got you step by step, simple. The kids can even help, yummy and yet healthy. So are you ready to join me for really the easiest side dish that you can feel great about and that will break the dull and the boring mold. Yes, just give me the word ready and we'll get started. Somebody says your helper is a cutie. Okay, so
who said that?
no. Oh, and if you like what we're doing here in the kitchen today and you want to keep going, you can join my husband Jim next Tuesday on Explore the Unseen. I'll give that for you guys right here. Explore the Unseen, also on Facebook. And he's going to show you how we do Thanksgiving on the road with Cajun gumbo. That's right. So if you're still wanting to change things up a bit, join us there next week. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So you're going to start out by having some, you're going to want to have 2 oranges. Again, we like to choose organic. Organic is best. But we've talked about our good, better, best. So sometimes you're going to make good choices where you want to be able to budget wise, you're going to want to do something that is more budget friendly. And so you're going to choose maybe not organic, but best choice would be organic oranges. So you're going to get 2 of those, including the peel and the rind. Okay. So you're going to have that. And I'm going to need to have my peeler and my measuring cup. So, and then you're going to want to have 4 cord green apples. You're going to want to use green apples for this because these are going to give a little bit more tartness to the recipe rather than the sweetness from your red apples. Okay, so you're going to use the green apples, and then you're going to have your cranberries. Where are the cranberries? It's cranberry chutney without the cranberries.
Let's see.
That's right. So you're going to want to have 4 cups of whole cranberries. Again, best would be organic or homegrown. But you're going to do your 4 bags of cranberries. And I love this brand here. It's called Patience Fruit & Co. Don't you love that? So you're going to have 4 cups of whole cranberries. You're going to use 1 cup of your raw honey. And so we're going to get started here. Now, how many of you have already gotten started on your holiday shopping? Tell me. Anyone? How many of you have already gotten started on your shopping? So the first thing you're going to do is grab a bowl and you're going to combine your orange and your apples and your cranberries into a food processor or like our Blendtec. Okay. So we're going to add in, is this all the right number of apples here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to combine our apples right in here in with our oranges and
are you putting these in whole?
And you're going to put all those in, including the peel. If you decide you don't want to add in the peel, you can just pull out the meat if you want. But you're going to put all of those in. So I think we're going to do half and half. So put 2 of those in. Put those 2 in. And then we're going to add in our 4 cups of cranberries. I'm going to make sure that those are 4 cups.
Let's do 2 peeled, 2 unpeeled.
All right, 2 peeled. We're going to do 2 peeled and 2 unpeeled of our oranges. So we've got everything in there. And then we're going to do, did everybody see this brand is called Patience & Co? How cool is that? So we're going to add all those in, and then we're going to finely chop those.
Which is loud.
Which it is a little loud. But tell me what you've already done with your holiday shopping. Have you not even thought about it? Are you in panic mode yet? So we've already got beautiful colors here. See the greens and the oranges and the reds? This is also going to be a beautiful dish too.
About a little spicy.
All right. So that's our 4 cups. So that's 2 cups. Oh, okay.
We're adding jalapenos, so this is a little spicy too.
Ooh, maybe we need to
split it in half.
I think we got a little too much, so we're gonna split some of that in half. So you're gonna put it in your food processor.
I can't get this completely.
Okay, it's okay. Here, finish doing it and put it in there. So we're gonna turn this on a little bit here. Which one is our salsa? Right here. We're gonna finely chop this.
That needs some water.
Yes, we're gonna spin it around because we've done this before. But you're gonna need to step down and grab the scraper. So we're gonna kind of mix that up a little bit, and we're gonna keep pulsing until it's finely chopped. And then you're gonna pour all that choppedness back into your bowl, and then you're gonna add some raw, preferably raw local honey. Again, that's the best choice. If you don't have the best choice, you could go with something like better, like local honey, or maybe even honey that you've raised yourself. That would be best as well. If you don't like the sugar spike, the blood sugar spike with the honey, you can always sub in like some stevia. You can sub in some stevia plant or stevia drops, okay, for that. And you're going to add in, I forgot to tell you how much cup. So 1 cup of honey. You have a lot of tartness here with the tart apples and the tart cranberries and everything.
Wait,
so
1 cup? That is a lot of honey.
Yes. So we got to stir it around a little bit. Where's the stir to mix that up a little bit? So you're just going to finely chop those, and then you're going to pour it all in, add in your honey. You can change that out. I like to start with maybe only a 1/3 cup of the honey, and then just kind of keep adding to your desired sweetness, because you may not end up wanting that full cup. Then we're going to talk about our 2 special secret ingredients. Yes. Now, I ask you guys about your holiday shopping real quick. So if you haven't already started your holiday shopping yet, or if you're in the mid-process and you're stumped on a few people, you can grab my 2 DIY. Go ahead. You can grab my 2 DIY shopping ideas.
Still not working.
Yeah, so that's looking great. See all the beautiful colors in there? And then once we get more added in, it's going to be even more colorful. It's going to have more of the reds in there as well. So you could grab my 2 DIY shopping ideas for yourself or for your kids if they need some shopping ideas. And even if you're not a DIYer, I've got you covered as well. So you're going to start with 2 of our blog posts that talk about how you can use self-care, as a priority this holiday season, and some other DIY gift giving ideas. So I will share that with you. For those of you who grabbed the recipe today from the written notes today, just drop the word chutney below, and you'll grab my written notes. See how pretty that's starting to look? See how pretty that's starting to look with all the different colors in there? And yours will as well. So, but just drop the word chutney below, and I'll give you all the written notes, as well as those 2 holiday gift giving ideas that you can do with your kids. And even if you're not a DIYer, I've got some options for you as well. So yes. Okay. So once you've got your sweetness level that you want, you're going to add in 3 drops of your wild orange essential oil. Now, why? Couple of reasons. Number 1, this is going to help support your immune system. So, and we all need our immune system supported, especially as we're gathering together with family and friends over the holidays. We want our immune system supported. Plus, it's going to pull out more of that wild orange flavor. We're good. Awesome. We're gonna put it on there.
Okay.
Oh, look at those beautiful colors. Yeah, we don't need it mush. We just need them finely chopped. So that's great. We can start putting that back in in the bowl. And so you're going to add in 3 drops of your wild orange essential oil. And
there's a big piece in there.
while we're putting that in there, we're going to put those, and then my other kick it up a notch. We're going to add in 1 jalapeno pepper. Now this is optional if you don't want to do this, but it really adds to the flavor. And if you want, if you have kids that are sensitive with spiciness, what you can do is, so we're just gonna, look how beautiful that looks, you guys. So we're gonna add in our 3 drops of wild orange. Maybe this bottle's almost empty. 2, 3. There we go. Ooh, we added an extra. It's okay. It's okay if you get a little extra. But that jalapeno pepper is going to kick it up a notch. And if you want, you could just separate out this dish into 2 separate, where you have some with jalapeno pepper and some with not. But this is also what's going to make it, it's going to make it where the flavors meld over the days as it sits. So what you're going to do is, this can be made as much as 4 days in advance. So obviously we're going to be eating this a few days before Thanksgiving, but shh, don't tell anybody. So you can make this as much as 4 days in advance. And like I mentioned, it gets better over time. Okay. So you're going to take your jalapeno pepper, add that in as well, and pulse that through your dish as well.
Spicy.
So there goes our peppers.
Maybe make 2 batches.
Yum, yum. And so what you can also do is, once this has rested, if you have any left over, you can enjoy this on its own. You can use it on top of turkey, or you can even use it on your leftover turkey sandwiches. What we like to do with it is, we like to use it as an appetizer. Combine it with your cream cheese. Again, you can do homemade cream cheese. You can do organic cream cheese. And then you can add this on top of your favorite crackers.
Wait, turkey sandwich?
Yes, yes. Who's excited about that? So now I want to share with you guys. Now I do have, actually, sorry, hold on a minute. So a couple of things that I want to challenge you to do today. If you have not already started your holiday shopping, I want to encourage you to do that. And if you need some ideas, I've got you covered there. The second thing I want you to do is, I want you to share this with your favorite therapist friend. I am hosting a strengths workshop in December. It's just for therapists in private practice. It's going to be a 90-minute workshop helping you to not only discover your unique strengths, but hone in on them so that you can walk away with a blueprint for 2021 that will help you set your private practice apart from all the others. It will help you rediscover the activities that keep you energized all day long. It will help you brand or rebrand your business. It will help you strengthen your clients' trust with you. It will prevent burnout and help you return to joy, which is what so many of us need as we're moving out of this year into a new year. Now, you can grab more details on that by just sharing the word strengths below, or I will also share with you a way that you can get more information about that when you've shared the word chutney below. When you give that word, I'll also give that. Now, if you like what we did here in the kitchen today and you want to keep going, you can join Jim next week on Explore the Unseen with an X, no E, as we're going to show you how we do it travel style and Cajun style. Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week. I love joining here and really helping invest in, as you invest in yourself, and helping you invest in yourself and your family as well. Simplifying your life with 3 life essentials. You are worth the investment. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.